H2O 2 hours ago. I've been in the water ever since, putting lines around holes.
You can see the H2O is wearing really well.
Well, our boat was the only one that was tied up with it.
Yeah. One of the heroes.
Your boat.
Huh?
We're gonna make everybody tie their boat up just like y'all's are.
You know the captain, he's gonna have it right. Yep, they think the dock master's overpaid. This is what the dock master's been doing for 3 days. Out here fighting the wind for other people's boats. You can see where the side of the boat has already sustained some damage. Master Thomas. Dock is moving, which is kind of scary. That big old boat right there. Shucking and jiving. Already lost one pole there, you can see. Up there to the board. Hey honey, y'all better get on this side of it.
Line about the same length.
Right there is the most underpaid man in Pensacola right now. It'll fall off, and then it won't take the dock out. See? Everybody's pulling just as hard as they can to get it off the dock. Back. Trying desperately to hold it. But in this wind, not a lot of luck. Owners.
Taking on what?
Son, future captain. Alright, so now we have a decision, which is they are going to untie everything and take it out and go on the coast, I think. Before it just beats it to death and it sinks. Slappy! They're gonna take it out! Get out of the way! Okay, this is Slappy. He's a Fruit Loop. See him in the water? I don't know. There's no accounting for it. Always had to find a pole. Only a Slappy would be in the water in the middle of a tropical storm. There he is.
Basically, the storm is gone now. Bad smoke is beat up. We were trying to save him, but he came and decided to take it.
So it makes you wonder, why is Slappy in the water?
Such is life. Now we're going to go see about the sea princess.
Okay. When in doubt, cut the lines. One of Captain Douglas's favorites. You can see that he has sustained some fairly serious damage. Now, if you're a good captain, this is what you look like. Because you properly tied up your boat, you know what's going on, and there's absolutely no problem. You just sit back and drink a beer. That's Captain Douglas. Charter boat, H2O below. USS Oriskany Diver. If you want a captain that knows what's going on, this is the one. That's the Sea Princess, and she is taking on water. You can see that she's kind of listing to starboard there, which is not good, especially for this absolutely gorgeous boat. And he just had all new teak cabinets and everything put in, and a new kitchen that's now flooded. That's Doc. He owns the Marina. He also owns the Sea Princess and a ton of other stuff. And this boat is lucky enough to be able to sit next to the H2O below. Call us, USSOriskanyDiver.com. Because we're not sinking. Sea Princess, sinking. H2O below, not sinking. Again, here's the best captain in the whole marina. What would you like to say?
Help!